Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the inner door trim to reach the actuator assembly. First, remove visible screws and pry out clips. Pull the panel away gently to avoid breaking tabs. Once done, disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts when testing. Make sure the window is lowered so you can access the actuator and linkage. Keep screws and clips organized in a small container. You are now positioned to unplug the actuator wiring and detach the linkage for inspection. Now test the connector with a multimeter while an assistant operates the key or central lock. You want to see roughly 12 volts at the correct pins during a cycle. If power is present, remove the actuator mounting bolts and separate the lock linkage. Note orientation so reassembly matches. Compare the old unit to the new replacement for matching connectors and arm geometry. Then fit the new actuator, reattach linkage exactly as removed, and secure bolts snugly. This ensures proper travel and prevents binding in the mechanism. Once the actuator is secured, reconnect the battery and test both remote and manual locking cycles multiple times. You want smooth, consistent movement without hesitation. Make sure the door locks and unlocks while watching the latch and linkage. Adjust link positions if travel is off. After successful tests, reinstall the door trim, ensuring clips and screws are properly seated and the window operates freely. If you hear grinding or see no movement, double-check the wiring, ground connections, and regulator. One key troubleshooting tip is to swap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.